Alright, well, production of this generation Hoover Steamvac, this is the final generation, has concluded as of probably a year ago. Feels like kind of the end of an era, because this is really, this is the first first carpet cleaner that Hoover made, and of course, I mean, this is a brand new one, but this is the latest revision they did, which just color changes. But yeah, this is it. These are gone now. You can't get these on Amazon anymore. I had to find mine on eBay. Yeah, they don't make it anymore. And all the crap they make now doesn't last. It's all Chinese. I mean, of course this is too. But, oh great, I missed it. Anyway, yeah. So the Steamvac was really always my favorite carpet cleaner, even though it wasn't the best performing, because, you gotta take suction away from, the pickup power, and I got soap all over this, but yeah, it takes suction away from its extraction because it's using a part off the motor for both the turbine to spin the brushes and the turbine for the pump. So you lose power, but whenever you put it onto that spill pickup, it really gets that stuff up. And really, I just think this is my favorite carpet cleaner of all time, really. The older ones, of course, with the built-in hose were a lot cooler, but that hose will crack and go bad, and they don't make it anymore. And if they did, it would probably be over $100 by now, just to get the hose, because I knew it was between 80 and 90. It could have even been as high as 100 back in, oh crap, when were they making those? 2000 something? Yeah. It never really, I don't know. There we go. Yeah, so you can hear the water flowing. And just, I don't know why they quit making it. Because I hate the Smart Wash. I hate the Power Scrub Elite. The Dual V thing, I wish they would bring back too. That was pretty good. I have one of those still, but I'm gonna get rid of it. So, might as well just show it in action here. And here's the box, which I currently have. Yep. Gonna get rid of that. These still have the clean out tool, and it says something right here, yeah, bare floor tool. They didn't really give you that on this last revision, so maybe I can buy one online or something to go with it. And of course, here's the clean out tool, which they still make. Thank God, right? Can't take that nozzle apart at all. It's all glued on. All right. This is also the last Hoover, I think, Hoover carpet cleaner to have the wind tunnel sounding motor on it, even though this is the later revision where it's Chinese and it's not American made or any of that. It's, it's a Hoover. It's a later one. So, here we go. Let's try shampooing for the first time. Pulls up a lot. so that turbine isn't ever the nicest sounding, but that's how they are on pretty much all of them. I could probably put a little bit of dry lube or something in there. Maybe a little white lithium. I don't know. It'd probably make it run better. But yeah, the extraction on this is so much better than that dual power. I had one of those too, and that was junk. I threw it away. Broke after, like, everything broke on it. Even the turbine after only a year and a half. The Max Extract Dual V, which I had also, or still have, but we'll probably get rid of. That extracts pretty well, but this one has a lot more pickup power. And even after shampooing with the Kirby, and another Hoover about a week ago, let's see, what kind of junk is in here. I can't expect it to be very dark, but yeah, it's just kind of a light gray. It's kind of dark in there. You can't really tell, though. But yeah, does a pretty good job. And I think this thing has been in the box for only, 2 or 3 years. So, shame they don't make it anymore. That's all I can say.